I'll be your first on today's flight. We do want to thank our Mileage Plus members for your loyalty and to all customers choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority, so please take a minute and pay attention to the following safety demo, even if you are a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt well and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the metal end into the buckle, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap, lift the buckle to release. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off. Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 777 is equipped with 8 exit doors, 4 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slide wraps will automatically inflate. It is unlikely that in a water landing, slide wraps detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember they may be behind you. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit hatch lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a change in color or exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It is also unlikely, but if necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceiling. If the strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the strap. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Please put your mask on before helping others. In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, please remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. And should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light and a pouch under or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, move it from around the pouch, tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Flip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft also has infant life vest, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking, vaping, or using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco is not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. We will be taking off soon, so please review the safety cards located near your seat. Show your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrests, and footrests. Please make sure that your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Place any personal items under the seat in front of you, and if you do lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Do not move the seat as this could damage the device and its batteries. Thank you again for flying with us. Now we're back with more details about today's flight. Once we're in the air, flight attendants, please complete your final safety checks and be seated.
I don't want to put it up there until we come out.
Can't be done by your feet in emergency. Everything has to be either up. If there's an emergency, you don't want to trip on it on your way out.
My kids fall.
Oh, well, put it in. Fortunately, everything needs to be sorted.
I need to make sure nothing falls.
Yeah, that's okay. I didn't want the jacket. I was gonna hang it up for you. Yeah.